This video is to show you how to create and manage promotion codes using CloudExtend Excel for NetSuite. First, we need to understand what fields are mandatory on your promotion code form in NetSuite. So first I have the promo name here. I'm going to get the name. I'm going to leave the start date and end date. I'm going to need the discount as well. And I'm going to use the is public field. And of course, we're going to need the coupon code field in here. And of course, the exclude items and the items field as well. So I'm going to go to my Excel sheet. So for the purpose of this training, I have it pre-populated here on my CloudExtend template. So I have the name, the code, the discount, the is public field, the exclude items, and the items. Just going to hit next. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to run my promotion codes template into my sheet. So I have my promo sheet ready in here. So I have my promo title. I'm going to put the first one. Copy that in here in the name. And I have my promo code right here. I'm going to copy that as well. And my discount is 25% off discount. It's public. I'm going to make it public for all customers. And I'm going to leave the exclude items for now. And I'm going to put all the items that this promo only applies to. So this promo only applies to these items right here. I'm going to put those items. And I'm just going to copy this. All right. So now we have our entire data set here. What I need to do is just go to update, hit upsert all records. And it's going to generate a set of internal IDs right here. So we have one internal ID for this set right here, another internal ID for this set, and a third internal ID for this set. So let's go to NetSuite, and so we have the year and slash, we have the corporate, and the silver member discount. So I'm going to go ahead and open the year and slash right here to show you how we can make updates to it. So say, for example, we wanted to remove some of these items from this list. So what I need to do is I'm going to go back to my Excel sheet right here. I'm going to remove these 3 items right here. I want to leave it available for only these 4 items. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go ahead and select this row right here. I'm going to hit update and upsert selected records. It's going to turn green. Now let's go back to the promotion code right here. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. I'm going to go back to items. See that all the 3 items that were deleted are now gone. And also, if you wanted to make an exclusion, like say, for example, you wanted to exclude these items from this promotion code, but you want it to be available for all the other items, all you need to do is to make sure that you have the exclude items checked in here. So you can do that by putting true on exclude items and all the lines. And let's go ahead and upsert selected records as well. And when we go back to our promo code right here, I'm going to hit refresh. Go back to items. The items are now excluded. Thanks for watching.